draw monster. Yeah, and I hope you're going to follow along. Pick up a pencil. Let's draw a star. Monster cicadas, maybe a shark. Let's draw together. Here forever. You and I. Colors all alive. Draw with Nyle. Hey everyone, I'm Nyle, and I'm going to draw with my dad. And I use Procreate. You can also use paper and pencil. Open Procreate, click on the color. Choose color from the color wheel. Select brush and start drawing. Use eraser to erase. Now test the brush. Yep, that's good. Let's stabilize the stroke so my lines are perfect. So let's get started. Okay, that looks like a big balloon. What is this, spacecraft? Let's see. Going slow on the curves with 3 curvy triangles and 2 behind it. Makes it look like it's floating. Now the horns. So straight line, then curve it up. Then bring it back, join it with the head. Now let's draw the hand a little below the second horn. Curvy finger, not pointy. Now the first eye, a big round and the small one next to it. Now we raise the overlapping parts. This technique helps with good curves. Don't forget the pupils. Now let's draw the mouth. A big round, but not exactly a round, kind of like a bee. Let's put funny curvy teeth and make it look less scary. We want it to be a friendly monster. Tongue is our favorite. 2 curves and you're done. Adam apple is always tough. Hang on, almost there. Let's drip some saliva. Now I'll color this up, so sit back and keep watching. I'll be back.